Mga kaalas, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and notification bell button. Yo, what is up mga kaalas? We are here again to unbox another product from Jconly tattoo cartridges. So join me, let's unbox this product. Here's the box. Some company send me some cartridges or boxes to open. So let's check this. Here, this is from Hong Kong, from Jconly. By the way, thank you Jconly for sending me this package to review. Let's open this. It's a bit heavy. What's inside? Let's check. Oops. It's all cartridges. I thought there's a machine inside, but it's all cartridges. Their box is kind of heavy. Some of this. And again, thanks Jconly for sending me these products. Their box is it's nice. It looks good. It's 10 boxes needles. Let's see what types of needles they send me. Check all of it. 9, 10. And I got some stickers here by Jconly. And again, thanks Jconly for sending me these products. Let's check the gauge of the needles that they sent. I have here 14 RS. This is the one I use when I do power line on my oriental tattoos. This one is a curve magnum, 11 curve magnum. I always use curve magnum when I'm shading and color packing. Both of my color packing and shading, I use this curve magnum than M1 or magnum. This one is 13. This one is 9RL. Okay guys, I already checked the boxes and it looks good. The product looks good. Here's the box. And huge thanks to Jconly for sending me these products. I'm gonna use these products creating my artwork, Japanese. Let's try it. Thank you Jconly for trusting Ace of Spades Tattoo.